Hello and welcome to more of my trading stuff. This video is all about the new version of the London Breakout. If you haven't already watched the first video, then you need to go and watch that first. I'll put a link in the description below. Version 1.4 has several new features, so I'll just call up the parameters so you can see them. The first of which is you can enter an instance number. This allows you to run multiple instances of the same instrument at the same time. What this means is that you could have 3 copies of GBN to trigger at the same time with different parameters. The H1 candle and the pips remain the same, as does the quantity. What is new then is the option to take either buys or sells or both, and you simply set these to yes or no in the options under buy trades or sell trades. We've also added Telegram messaging functionality, which will keep you updated with what is happening with your trade. We will be making a separate video telling you all about Telegram and to show you how to set this up. So to summarise, if you're running multiple instances of the same bot, you must make sure each of them has a unique instance number. If you're not using an H1 time frame, a warning message will be displayed on screen. Then you'll need to stop the bot, select H1 and then restart the bot. The bot needs to be running before the close of your trigger candle each day. So if your trigger candle is 7 AM, then you'll need your bots up and running before 8 AM. You must leave the bot running until the trade has been triggered and the other order cancelled. As always, test on demo until you're happy that you understand how it works. So thank you for watching. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up. Any comments, you can leave those below, and if you haven't already subscribed, then please subscribe. I'll also leave a link to trading stuff where you can download a copy of this bot in the description below. So thank you for watching.